Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and setup video of this Rode Procaster, as well as the shock mount and the studio arm. This is going to be a pretty quick video. We're headed to Toronto tomorrow, so I'm sorry I didn't have the full review video out. I'll probably have that out next week or the week after, and then I'll also have a video for my Go XLR. So this video is just going to be the unboxing. So if you guys want to see the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But anyways, here's the unboxing. Anyways, that's going to be it for this unboxing and setup video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry it was a very short one. Like I said, we're headed to Toronto tomorrow, so I didn't have really too much time to film and edit the full review video this week. So hopefully I can get that out the week after or the following week. I also have the Go XLR and I will have a video for that soon. So if you guys want to see that and how I use it on my stream and these videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's going to be it for me this week. I'll see you guys next week. That's going to be it for me this week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.